is how to use TikTok for your small business in Nigeria. In this video, you will learn how to use your phone, tablet, or your computer system to promote that your small business using TikTok online in Nigeria. Are you on TikTok? If you are not, you are missing out. This is time to jump in and claim your space. Please don't make that mistake of assuming that TikTok is for students and young people. No, TikTok is for all genders, and you can use it with your phone to build a huge audience and customers for that your business in that your corner. You don't need to go to school. No, all you need to promote that your small business is that your phone in your hand. If you can use smartphone, you can build and promote your business using TikTok. All you need to do is to take your phone, press record, video your business and post it on TikTok. Do you have any business idea? Do you run any business? Are you a carpenter, a bricklayer? Do you make cake? Are you a mechanic? Are you into bead making and jewelries? Are you a tailor, a designer? You can use TikTok to promote all kind of businesses, and I'll be showing you how to do that in this video. You can use TikTok to reach more audience online and convert them as a customer, even in Nigeria and worldwide. If this is happening in other countries, it is currently happening in Nigeria, and many people are raking in a lot of money driving sales with TikTok. This is that time you need to jump in and start using TikTok to build that huge and massive audience that this platform has provided. My name is John from Ask JOFA. I'm an affiliate marketer. Towards the end of this video, I'll be introducing to you the #1 affiliate marketing training center. This company will train you on how to build your own platform that you can use to promote your local businesses in Nigeria and worldwide. You'll be able to know how to become a YouTuber, a TikToker, and you'll be able to develop yourself with the great training they provide. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be taking you through the various benefits of using TikTok to promote that your business. One great benefit is this: you will instantly experience fast growth with huge audience patronizing your business, and that will increase your revenue. That is if you implement the strategy I will be showing you towards the end of this video. If you do this properly, your life can be transformed into becoming an industrial expert in what you do. All you need to do is to present value that your business brings to people. You see, on TikTok, you have the opportunity to link to your other social media pages. Like if you're on YouTube, you'll be able to link to your YouTube channel, your Instagram profile, your Facebook. In fact, you can link to any page that you've prepared that will state all your details, like your contact phone, address, list of your products and services, and how people can get them. So TikTok is a great platform to make a great sales. Ensure you watch this video to the end. I'll be showing you how to get a free website where you can link to that will help you make great sales for that your local business, so that Nigerians can easily contact you to buy either your product or your services. And also, you'll be able to easily make videos of whatever you do, how you do them, how it helps your audience, and the value it provides. This can be the products or services that you provide to your many audience. This is what people will see that will attract them to patronizing you. But what should be your content strategies? I mean, what kind of videos should you make about that your local business? That is the next thing I'll be talking about. You need to know that there's nothing you are doing right now. Either you're a mechanic, a designer, a tailor, a bead and jewelry maker, or any kind of business. There's nothing you are doing now that is not being done somewhere else around the world. So what you need to do right now is to go on TikTok and search for that your business. Look at the kind of videos that they are doing and they are posting. You can replicate it. Yours does not need to be as beautiful and fine the way they do it. No, start from where you are. Use that your kind of phone. Yes, the one you have now. You don't need any other one. Start anyhow. People will criticize you. Your friends will discourage you. Believe me, they will later beg to learn from you. Another way you can go about it is this. You see, a lot of people in Nigeria will be ready to pay for what you do. It can be your passion, your gift, your area of specialization. People won't mind to learn what you do. A lot of people are looking for that product and services that you provide. All you need is that exposure. And you can realize that by the question people are asking online daily. There's this tool that I use just by typing what you do. Making cake, woodwork in Nigeria, landed property in Nigeria. Just put in what you do on that tool and it's going to list all the questions Nigerians are asking about that thing you do. All you need to do is to start answering those questions by the videos you post on TikTok. TikTok is about providing and adding values to your audience. People will glue to you and be expecting the next thing you post. That is how you build the massive audience you need to make great sales on this platform. This tool I'm talking about is for free. You see the link below the description of this video. Making money online, building a social media platform can be a lot of work, most especially at the initial stage. I will advise that you post between 2 to 3 videos every day for the next 2 months. If you do that, you will see skyrocket growth in your audience and in your business. But initially, it will seem as if there's nothing. Don't bother. Just be doing what, just be posting. You don't need to follow somebody to follow you. No, just be adding value to your specific audience and you will start growing before you know it. Ensure you prepare list of videos that you do for the next 30 days, 60 days. List them somewhere and start providing your content. There's no way you not see growth and you start making sales before you know it. TikTok is all about educating your audience, providing answers to many questions that people are asking about your trade. Before you know it, people will be calling you to pay to know what you do. It is at the end of every of your video, after you provided great value to your audience, that you do what we call call to action. That is, you let your audience know that they can contact you through the link on your profile, or you give them the name of your Facebook page where they can see how to get in touch with you. Just like you can get in touch with me via askjofa.com. You just mention it and you see people contacting you, subscribing and paying for the services and products that you provide. That is how to use TikTok to promote your small or large business in Nigeria. It works in other countries. It is currently working for many, and that includes my business. The first thing you need to do is to properly set up your profile page on TikTok. All you do is to type in tiktok.com on any browser. It will bring you this page. You click login, you click sign up. So you can sign up with your phone number or email address. So you state your birthday, month, day, year, key in your phone number, you get the code, then you'll be able to sign up. This is the inside of TikTok. The next thing you do is to ensure that you switch to business account so that you'll be able to have access to link and be able to fill your profile with details that reflect your small business. You click edit your profile, you choose a unique name for yourself, you choose your name. In this place, your bio, make sure you put statement that reflect the kind of job you are into so that the TikTok algorithm will be able to place you easily with the kind of niche and audience that they can direct to your platform. With your business account, you'll be able to have a business suite. If you click this place, you'll be able to see how your account is doing, how your video is performing, so that you'll be able to continue to post such video that will bring in customer to you. So that's the essence of business accounts. This is how you set up your platform and you start making money using TikTok to promote your small and large business online from home in Nigeria and worldwide. Thank you. My core business is promotion of affiliate marketing, and the #1 affiliate marketing training center can help build your local business in Nigeria. You need resources like website and how to make videos. I learned everything I knew through this #1 affiliate marketing training center. It's an American-based online education company. You'll be trained on how to make money online. You'll be able to have your own website. You'll be able to know how to make videos on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook Reels. And you will learn how to promote your local business in any country, including Nigeria. All you need to do to get started and start learning from this company is to go to askjofa.com. Ensure you use my link. That is the only way I will see you inside the training platform, and I'll be able to hold your hands and help you. Ensure you put your phone to use and start promoting your local business on TikTok using your phone. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bye for now.